In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload Reels in Meta Business Suite. If you create a lot of short-form content, uploading each reel one by one can be really time-consuming. Using the bulk upload feature inside Meta Business Suite lets you add multiple reels at once, so you can focus more on your content and less on repetitive tasks. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account that manages the page or business you want to post from. If you manage several pages, check that the right one is selected in the top area of the interface, because your uploads will be tied to that specific asset. Once you're on the main dashboard for Meta Business Suite, look at the top section just below your cover photo. You'll see a row of options such as posts, ads, and others. In that row, click on the option labeled More. This expands additional tools that are not shown by default, including the bulk upload tools we need. From the drop-down that appears after you click More, select Bulk Upload Reels. This opens a dedicated Bulk Upload Composer page. Think of this page as your control center for adding and managing multiple video files that will be turned into Reels. If this is your first time using it, don't worry. The layout is quite straightforward. On the bulk upload page, look for a button that says Add Videos. Click this button. A file browser window will open, allowing you to select the reel files from your computer. Here's a quick tip. It's much easier if you've already organized your reels into a single folder beforehand. You can then select multiple videos at once, as long as they meet Meta's reel requirements for format, length, and size. After you've selected your video files, they will begin to upload into Meta Business Suite. You'll usually see progress indicators for each file. Take a moment to review the list once the uploads are complete. This is a good time to quickly check that the correct videos have been added and that there are no obvious errors. When you're happy with your selection and everything has finished uploading, look for the Publish button on the bulk upload page. Click Publish to send all of your uploaded reels live according to the default publishing settings for your account. Depending on your setup, you may also have options to schedule posts, but the basic flow is simply to publish from here, and that's it. By following these steps, you can upload multiple reels at once inside Meta Business Suite and streamline your content workflow